Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python typing, list vs list with code examples. Introduction. Python's dynamic typing is one of its strengths, allowing flexibility in variable assignments. However, as projects grow larger, maintaining code becomes challenging. The typing module was introduced to help address this issue, providing a way to specify the expected types of variables. In this tutorial, we'll explore the differences between list and list in the context of Python typing. Understanding Python typing basics. Before diving into list and list, it's essential to have a basic understanding of Python typing. The typing module provides a set of tools for annotating function and variable types. The list type. The list type is part of the typing module and is used to indicate that a variable should be a list with elements of a specific type. Here's a simple example. In this example, input_list is expected to be a list of integers, and the function returns a list of strings. The list type. The list type, on the other hand, is a generic type hint for a list without specifying the type of its elements. Here's an example. In this case, input_list is a generic list that can contain elements of any type, and the function returns a list of strings. Choosing between list and list. Python, being a dynamically typed language, allows you to use variables without explicitly specifying their types. However, with the introduction of type hints in Python 3.5 and the subsequent improvements in Python 3.6+, you can now add optional type information to your code using the typing module. This is particularly useful for enhancing code readability and catching potential errors early in the development process. In this tutorial, we'll explore the difference between using list and list in Python's type hints, focusing on how they are applied when working with lists. Before diving into the specifics of list and list, let's briefly review basic type hints. In the above examples, we are using type hints to indicate the expected type of a variable and the types of function parameters and return values. When you use list in type hints, you are indicating that the variable should be of the generic list type. It doesn't provide any information about the types of elements inside the list. In this example, input_list is annotated as a list, but there's no information about the types of elements it can contain. This is less informative and may not help other developers or tools understand the expected structure of the list. On the other hand, when you use list from the typing module, you can provide type hints for the elements inside the list. In this example, input_list is annotated as a list int, indicating that it should be a list containing only